match with Jayden, you understand? We're good, man. Stop worry.
And your daughter.
I think I'm falling in love.
Jayden, you know, say, yeah, a joke. I swear to God, that man, a joke. Yo, he don't take nothing serious, you know?
No,
he don't take a thing serious. You take her serious? Meka boy a nice girl, you know?
I know, man, I see.
Dead serious. Dead serious. When talk about business type of girl, she a business type of woman, you know?
You sound like she's independent, huh?
She is. I'm telling you. She started work from she at 16.
She don't depend on a man.
She don't have that in her.
Yeah, I like that.
Jayden, she a type of girl when she go to school, she sell her sweetie if me not have lunch money for send her go to school. She sell sweetie at school, send herself go to school.
Yeah, I like that.
That's the type of woman they
She don't depend on a man, I like that.
Yeah. So no go and go play one more match no man no more, sir.
Are you so funny?
Wanna reach over here?
No, she does. No, she does. She don't think you call her as it, so out of respect.
Mm. Oh, good man. We there talk to each other, man. Meka, go and go play one more match.
Jump.
Alright. Push her out there. I know, like we call him. She have sins. And sins of a piece of girl. Nobody can look her, so. No for chat, no know that. Meka boo, me tell you something, she's a sensible girl, yeah? No for her feel like she have this. Yeah. No boy.
Yeah, this him.
Go on. That is.
Hey boy, go name out your mother and stop add woman. Go name out your mother and stop. Batty boy, go name out your mother and stop add woman every day. Pussy, go suck your mother.
Rome, I don't come.
No, you were going is when you had me a while ago. When they deal with a little dumpy butt. So I take you off a while ago and add you back. I want to go on this one. I want to go on this one. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Get up.
Hold on there. Sorry. Yeah. Come guys, come now like. May the best couple win over here so right now. The best couple win right now, guys. Only think of his number.
Self-present. Yo. That is the best. You know, my side, I'm waiting for what is that, General?
Come on, guys. May the best couple win right now.
My side, I'm ready to shoot out everything because we need them 5 nuggets there too, you know. Hey, Fluffy.
To the girl. She's so pretty. Yeah, man, believe.
That free triple chat. Anything on the drop now, triple 15 seconds, 10 seconds top, triple guys, triple.